sunny morning on a faraway stream gave this one the nerve to realize her dream. That day she took flight on a thin ray of light, never passing that way again. A cool, crisp morning in upstate New York, well before the dawn and the start of the world. He was seen climbing high, reaching for the sky, chasing his dream and moving on. This one's from down south, perhaps Abilene. This one's from someone's pool, that's the last thing that he'd seen. An ocean, a bucket, an artesian well, a river, a pond, so many stories to tell. Oh, the things that they've seen and the places they've been, rising and falling over and over again. So many times we give so little thought to from whence they've come and from where they've been brought. But I'll never quite see them quite exactly the same after I took the time out this morning to meet a few drops of rain.